Hey, what's up, fellas? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, 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 very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay, fellas, let's speak a little bit about how to make more money online. Well, before we start, okay, guys, before we start, let me give you this quote. You know, you can get anything you want in life if you help enough people to get what they want in life. Okay, guys, this quote is from Zig Ziglar. You know, Zig Ziglar. You guys know Zig Ziglar, the motivational speaker. Okay. Okay, guys, as I told you guys before, if you want to make money online, or no, the best way for you to make money online, it is for you to promote more, You gotta be able to promote more, If you promote more, you're gonna have the opportunity, you're gonna give people the opportunity to see your product. And if they see your product, they're gonna have the opportunity to buy your product, That's why you have to promote and you have to give constantly value, But one thing that I saw, it is that in America, they show it on CNN, in America, they said that a lot of people, actually real estate agents, people who sell homes and all this kind of stuff, because of this pandemic, a lot of clients, they do not have, how can I say, it's very difficult to walk to search for apartment inside and outside and all this because of the pandemic and all the rules, But one thing that they found that they found out in America, it is that a lot of people, real estate agents, actually they are promoting their real estate, the apartment, the houses on TikTok, because a lot of how can I say, a lot of people people in the age of 18, 25, 30, or even 40 and something like that, they actually are all the time on social media. And many of them, they are on TikTok, And TikTok also, if you are, how can I say, if you try to get clients, for your business, actually through TikTok, you can get many clients with organic, in organic level, I mean, promoting, and a lot of people actually tapping into your email address or into your site, which is something very, very, very extraordinary, You have to think about all this stuff, because if they are promoting, if they are promoting, then you should be promoting too, You should be promoting too. So make sure that whatever business you are into it, you also make sure that you promote on TikTok, so that you can have more opportunity to have organic traffic, organic traffic. Because if organic traffic becomes difficult, then it's gonna be forced for you. It's gonna be forced for you guys to go after paid traffic, and that is very, very difficult. Because the paid traffic is good. Actually, paid traffic is much better than organic. But paid traffic, you're gonna have to pay, And if you have money, it's good. If you don't have money, it can be a little bit difficult, So make sure you go to TikTok, Go promote your product on TikTok. Not only promote your product on TikTok, promote also on other social media platforms like Facebook or YouTube, Do that. Okay, guys? Well, if I forgot something, you let me know, okay? Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe, write your comments below, and check the link below so that you can learn how to make money online in a very effective way, okay? And write your comments below, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, buddy. And don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to share this video. Ciao.